Hello dear students, welcome to this English class. Today let's discuss the chapter The Starting Point, Part 1. This particular chapter is an extract taken from the book The Race of My Life. It is written by Milkha Singh with the co-author Sonia Sanwalkar. Now, the main character of this particular chapter is Milkha Singh himself. So, he is narrating few incidents of his life. Who is Milkha Singh? Well, you must have seen this great personality. Let me give you a brief introduction of Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is also known as the Flying Sikh. He is a former Indian track and field sprinter. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. He had joined the army when he was very young, and that is where he was introduced to running races. He then achieved great success in various Indian and as well as international events. He is remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games, where he clocked the time of 45.73 seconds. It became the Indian national record and it was held for almost 40 years. Students, as you all know, Milkha Singh recently passed away on 18 June this year, 1921, at the age of 90 plus, 91 years. Okay, so now in this particular story, Milkha Singh has narrated 3 incidents which he felt was the starting point of his career as an athlete. Okay, so let's read 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in Jan 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. After the morning roll call one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vests and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. Filled with the sense of mission, I ran as fast as I could. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me, as I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. Now, what is Milkha Singh saying? He was saying that he had joined the army as a young recruit. The new recruit means he had just joined. He's a person who recently joined. So he had joined the army force, okay? And there were 3 incidences that occurred in January 1953, that is when he was a new recruit, that changed the course of his life. That means how he was introduced to the running sport, the sports as an athlete, okay? Now what happens is, one Saturday morning, the attendance is being taken. Roll call means the attendance is being taken, and that time the announcement is made that a 6-mile race would be held the next day. And all 500 recruits, that means all the recruits, that is 500 in number, would have to participate in that event. Further, the announcement was that the top 10 in that race would be exempted. Exempted means they would be excused from fatigue duty. Fatigue duty means duties like cooking, cleaning, okay, all these duties they would be excused from Okay, and they would also be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. So therefore, now next morning, all of them got ready. They were wearing canvas shoes, vests, and khaki shorts, and they reported at the starting line. Now for Milkha Singh, this was an opportunity, because for him, his main intention was he wanted to have a glass of milk every day, because that for him was a big treat, as he had not got this kind of treat of getting a glass of milk every day in his childhood. So for him this meant a lot, and therefore he was on a mission to win the race, to come in the top 10. Okay. Next, I took the lead in the first 2 or 3 miles. I would rest a while if I felt tired and then run again when I saw others catching up. Luck was with me that day and I finished 6th in the race. The name of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. Friends, even strangers, wildly applauded and thumped me on my back, shouting "Shabash." I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation I received that night, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. So as the race started, Milkha Singh started running fast. He was in the lead position in the first 2 or 3 miles, and then when he would be tired, he would rest a bit, and then again when he would see others are ahead of him, he would start running. And finally at the end of the race, he came in the 6th position. So since he was in the top 10, that means he had won that special reward of getting a glass of milk every day at the during the training, and also he would be excused from fatigue duty. Okay, now what happened was everyone started congratulating him. Okay, and when everyone started congratulating him, he felt so happy, and that encouraged him to take up the sport of running races, and that is what he says was the starting point of his career as an athlete. Let's read further. As part of a training, we had to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice sessions where we would get a promised glass of milk. Our instructor was Havildar Gurudev Singh, who had been with Army for about 15 years. Although his task was to train new recruits, he was a good runner himself, and he continued to participate in races. Now, Milkha Singh had won in the top 10, so therefore he was taken in the special team that would be trained for athletics. Now, what was a part of the training? They had to run 6 miles every day. And at the end of the practice session, they would get the promised glass of milk. And Milkha Singh looked forward to that special treat. Okay. Now, they had an instructor named Havildar Gurudev Singh, who had been in the army for about 15 years. He was very much senior to them. Okay, now his job was to train new recruits. So he was given the responsibility of training the new recruits. And he himself was a good runner. So he too participated in the races. Gurudev was a taciturn, no-nonsense kind of man. His tough exterior hid his softer, gentler side. He would run with us during training sessions, prodding us with a danda, that is a stick, shouting, "Run, boys, run! Run for our regiment." I strongly believe that he was instrumental in motivating me to strive to become a world-class athlete. Even today, when I think of his danda, I bow my head in respect. So now Milkha Singh, he describes Gurudev as a no-nonsense person who is very serious about his work. Taciturn means he is reserved, who doesn't speak much. Okay, so he looked like he is very strict, but at the same time he was gentle. He had a kind heart. He would run along with the trainers, with the young recruits. Okay, he would run along with them during the training sessions, and as he would run along with them, he would prod them with a stick. Prod them means he would ask them to run faster, and what he would say, run boys, run for our regiment. So he would encourage them to run. Okay, and because of this, Milkha Singh says that he too was motivated to work hard, to run fast, and to do something for the country. Okay, and that is saying that is how Gurudev was instrumental in motivating him to become a world-class athlete. Even today, when I think of his danda, I bow my head in respect. So Milkha Singh says that when he thinks of his the danda, that is the stick that Gurudev held in his hand, so whenever he remembers that stick, he bows his head in respect. So we'll end at this part 1 till here, and we'll continue the remaining part in our next videos. Let's take up the meaning. Recruit means a person who has recently joined a job. Exempted means excused from duty. Regiment is a group of soldiers. Instrumental means playing an important role. Fatigue duty means duties such as cooking and cleaning. Fatigue duty, duties such as cooking and cleaning. Danda is a word in Hindi which means stick. So students, we have completed the first part of this particular chapter. We shall continue in our next videos. Please to go through this video again. So take care, be happy, and God bless you all.